Molly.
Girls. Oh my gosh. Can we not even do anything without laughing? I think we can. Remember the stack of pretty colored batik fabrics, these solids? Remember these?
Oh, I do. Yeah.
Ooh, guess what? We got our first set of 5 in. I'm so excited. So excited. All right, let's see what we got.
Okay.
You ready? Ooh, pink. There's a pink one.
Ooh, the gray one. Yeah, I need gray.
Oh, okay, you guys aren't allowed to. You want? I guess we could take the plastic off. Well, you want to?
Okay, we can do that. I like unwrapping stuff.
It's like Christmas.
Yeah. Even though
it's hard to see the plastics make it shiny, so it's hard to see. Laura has a new t-shirt she got at Costco. Ooh, the pink's pretty.
Okay.
Pink.
Ooh.
And ooh, the pink and gray look nice together too.
Look at.
Look at how nice that looks together. Oh,
It does.
Yum.
These are nice. They feel pretty.
Blue.
That's kind of like the sky blue. I like that. Race. Oh, are we racing?
Yeah. That changes the time.
It's a tie. No, I think you won.
Ooh, that's a pretty blue. These colors are scrumptious. That green is awesome.
That's really nice. Blue. It's like a periwinkle blue.
Mm. Ooh, and a nice brown. 2, 3, 4. Oh, so that's what we get. 5 a month we'll get.
Yay. Oh gosh, that's pretty. That's really pretty.
That is really nice.
Okay, so I'm going to tip these up so you can see the 5 we have.
Wow, they go with your shirt.
Oh, they do. Look at this. Ta-da.
All right, ladies. Da, da, da. All right. Well, thanks for joining us here. Wave bye.
Bye.
Bye. All right. Our new solid batiks.
Those are really
Our first
nice.
5. Eventually, we'll have all the colors. Yay!
Now we could take the colors that we got out of the stack and watch the stack get smaller as this stack gets bigger.
Gosh, that is a lot. I hadn't really fully put together that we're going to get every
44 colors, I think.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, so we will have eventually 44 colors.
Wow.
Yep. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye. Why is it a slow connection? Well, I can't hang up because you're telling me it's a slow connection. It says slow connection on my phone, and it's